I'm a polio survivor and I'm a doctor by profession. I got polio when I am only 3 years old, and polio has changed my life. I can say I struggled to live with the disability caused by polio. I had my right leg paralyzed by polio, and let me say this is something I don't want it to be affecting any other child. There is no cure for polio, and the only way to fight polio is through prevention of polio infection. And this prevention can only be done through vaccination. Through the vaccination, we boost our immunity against the virus. So even if you get the virus, you will not get infected by the virus, and then there will not be paralysis or any complications. Last May in Botswana, we did the first round of the polio vaccination campaign. The second round will be from the 8th to the 11th of June. And health workers doing the vaccination campaign will go from house to house to vaccinate the kids. So please, every child who's under 5 should be vaccinated to protect the child and to protect the community. More than 98% of kids around the world receive vaccination. Millions of dollars of funds has been raised by Rotarians from all around the world, including Rotarians from Botswana and from Africa, to fight polio through funding the vaccine and its distribution. Rotary will continue on the End Polio Now campaign until we have our world is polio free.